In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your active status on Facebook. Let's start with what this actually means. Your active status is that little green dot, or Active Now label, that tells your friends you're currently online. When you turn this off, people won't see when you're active or recently active. Keep in mind though, this usually works both ways. If others can't see your status, you also won't be able to see theirs. First, open Facebook on your device. You can do this either in a web browser or using the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to change the active status. If you're using the mobile app, look for the three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. It's usually in the bottom right on iPhone and in the top right on many Android devices. Tap that menu icon to open more options. On desktop, you'll typically click your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right corner. Now, you want to get to the settings area. In the app, scroll down until you see something like Settings and Privacy, then tap it, and then tap Settings. On desktop, after opening the main menu, look for Settings and Privacy, then Settings as well. This is where Facebook keeps most of your account controls. Once you're in Settings, look for the section related to Active Status, or Status. On mobile, it's often under Audience and Visibility, or How People Find and Contact You. On desktop, you may find it in a Privacy or Active Status section. If you don't see it right away, scroll slowly. Facebook sometimes rearranges these options, but it will be there. When you open the Active Status setting, you'll see a toggle or switch, usually labeled something like Show when you're active, or Show your active status. If the switch is on, it means people can currently see when you're online. To hide your active status, simply turn this switch off. Facebook may show a small confirmation message explaining that when you turn this off, you also won't see other people's active status. Read that quickly so you understand the trade-off, then confirm if needed. After you've turned the toggle off, your active status is now hidden. You can back out of the settings and you're done. If you ever change your mind, just come back to the same place and turn the switch back on.